So this video is going to dive deeper into assignment 2, assignment 3 for 1490, the drawing replication assignment. So congratulations, everybody. You finished the first part of this project, which was assignment 2, your designer presentations. We're taking it one step further. This week, we will begin drawing replication. I'm going to review what that means and also some of the grading processes and how to prepare. So the first part, which we will discuss this week, is the selected drawing that you would like to do for drawing replication. So either have that drawing ready for our Zoom meetings, drawings if you have a few that you want to talk about, or bring them into class with you or show me them on your computer and we can talk about them, because you do need to have that pre-approved prior to beginning the replication of that drawing. So I will be expecting everybody to come to class, regardless if it's digital or in person, with some drawings that you would like to replicate. And then this project is also going to be about the accuracy and attentiveness of the incorporation of your designer's stylistic techniques, including the lettering, the use of color and shading, and title block, as well as all of the things that you discussed in the design communication evaluation in your presentation. So all your work must be formally, architecturally hand drafted, utilizing pencils and pen and ink. If your designer used a different type of media, and perhaps color, something else, let's talk about that. So I'm also going to be really looking for professional craft. It's really easy to smudge when doing larger drawings. So we're going to be talking about smudging and how to minimize that, as well as smearing and eraser marks. And the submission of your drawing is November 6th, and it will be submitted professionally rolled in person. There will be a basket to collect everybody's work. If you are online and you will still be creating a physical document just at your own house and submitting in person unless you're long distance. I know that there's a lot of in-person or online only people that are relatively close and could drop off the document. But if you are long distance, we can talk about how to digitally capture your drawing and submit that PDF, or perhaps mail your drawing. And I'm not going to get into the next part of the project. We're just going to focus on drawing replication through the first week of November. But I will go down to this part, grading criteria. So, assignment 3, drawing replication. Incorporation of designer's stylistic techniques is 30 points. The development of your drafting skills is 60 points. And then the successful submission is 10 points. So hopefully that's an easy 10 points. As you can see, the focus on grading is on the development of your drafting skills. So while you're working in class, I know this happened when we were doing our initial workspace drawings, and it would be like, oh, I have a window, how do I depict that? Or how do I draw this? How do I draw this door? I don't know what this is. We're going to address those as you go through your drawing. So we're going to learn about all of the nitty-gritty components of everyone's drawing. Since everybody has something different going on, it will give us the opportunity to share our work, and you can see other people's work and styles and begin to develop your own drafting skills, drafting techniques, use of line weights, all of that. as well as your craftsmanship, which really comes down to how you're using your arm and your wrist when you're drawing at a larger scale. And again, we will be creating our drawings at 18 by 24 inch. So even though it is a drawing replication, your designer's drawings might be smaller or larger than that, but we will scale them appropriately to the page. So you'll just be translating them to the context of this assignment. So that is the more in-depth description of assignment 3. We will be getting into more details about the different types of drawings in a drawing set. The last lecture went over a survey of all of those different types of design drawings and what they are. But the next lecture will be getting into really specific. So for example, we talked about a floor plan in the design drawing, but only for a few slides. Now you're going to have an entire presentation just for the floor plan, and we'll get into what do things look like in plan, things to consider, standards, all of those. So those will be coming out over the course of this assignment. And then hopefully by assignment 4, you will have watched all of those, have learned a lot from assignment 3, and then you can apply everything to assignment 4. And then after assignment 4, I'll give you a little sneak peek. We are going to have a full design project coming where you can really just express your design chops and also everything you've learned. So that is what we are doing this week and next week. As a reminder, please come to class ready with your drawings to talk about, so then we can establish those and you can get started right away. All right. Thank you, everybody. Bye.